Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mr. Mohsen Ali from Department of Microbiology, Kohart University of Science and Technology, Kohart. My research was on biocontrol of disease caused by Melodogyne incognita in okra plant using plant growth promoting Bacillus species. Content: Introduction, Vishnail, Objective, Material and Method, Result, Conclusion and Differences. Introduction: Okra, locally known as bhindi, is a member of family Viaceae and a rich source of vitamin, minerals, and protein and carbohydrates. The okra crop is grown in 15,500 hectare areas, total production of 1,17,900 tons, and its yield decreased due to the disease caused by root knot nematodes. There are 23 species of nematodes associated with okra in Pakistan. Among them, Melodogyne incognita is the most destructive one, which causes huge economic losses to okra production. Nematicides are generally used to control nematodes; however, they have several adverse effects, including toxicity, environmental contamination, and hazards. Plant growth promoting rhizobacteria have shown considerable potential as a biocontrol agent. Bacillus species reduce population density of soybean cyst nematode in greenhouse, microplot, and field study. The rationale of the present study was designed to determine the plant growth promoting traits and the nematocidal potential of Bacillus species isolated from the field of district cohort for the management of root knot nematodes Melodogyne incognita in okra plant. The objective of the study was to isolate root knot nematodes from the root of infected okra plants to isolate, identify, and evaluate plant growth promoting traits of Bacillus strains to screen the selected Bacillus strain against Melodogyne incognita using in vitro assay. Material and method. Soil samples were collected from three different locations in district Kahat. Sample was processed in water bath for the isolation of spore-forming Bacillus species. Next, serial dilution of soil sample were prepared and then isolation of PGPR on LB media. Bacillus species was identified based on their morphological and biochemical identification. In morphological identification, colony morphology and microscopy was performed, and different biochemical tests was performed to identify the Bacillus species. Then PGPR trait of Bacillus subtilis were identified. Isolation of Melodogyne incognita. Isolation of Melodogyne incognita from the root of infected okra plants. Then Melodogyne incognita were isolated by Bergman funnel and root incubation method. Melodogyne incognita were then identified by morphological and materiological characteristics. Then identified Melodogyne incognita were propagated on okra plant grown in greenhouse. In vitro activity of Bacillus subtilis against Melodogyne incognita. Preparation of Bacillus subtilis culture broth, cell pellet, and supernatant was performed. Then disinfection and preparation of Melodogyne incognita. And then in vitro activity was performed by 2 ml of culture broth, cell pellet, and supernatant were transferred to the Petri plate containing 50 juvenile and 50 eggs per ml. Then statistical analysis was performed. Total 3 soil samples were investigated for the isolation of Bacillus species. I have isolated uh, Bacillus subtilis bacteria, and all the 3 samples were positive for the Bacillus subtilis. These pictures shows the different biochemical test results that I have performed for the identification of Bacillus subtilis. I have performed different type of biochemical tests for the identification of Bacillus subtilis. This table shows different type of biochemical tests. Gum staining, spore staining, catalase, starch hydrolysis, BP, cell diameter, citrate test, 6.5% initial growth at 37 at 65, nutrient gelatin, motility, indole, and urease. Then all the 3 isolates were tested for the PGPR traits, and all 3 Bacillus subtilis were positive for the plant growth promoting traits. This picture shows that the subtilis promote plant growth promotes by different mechanisms like zinc solubilization, phosphate solubilization, ammonia production, and indole acetic acid production. Then Melodoga incognita were identified based on their morphological and meteorological characteristics. This table show different type of morphological characteristics that indicate that IO isolated Melodoga incognita from the root of infected okra plants. Body shape, body length, neck length, tail length, etc. All these are morphological data. Then meteorological data of Melodoga incognita was characterized. These meteorological data shows that I identified Melodoga incognita from the root of infected okra plant. Then I have performed in vitro activity of Bacillus subtilis against Melodoga incognita. Effect of culture broth, cell pellet, and supernatant of Bacillus subtilis on mortality of Melodoga incognita. I have isolated three different strains of Bacillus subtilis, and all these three strains have shown effective activity against Melodoga incognita. Culture broth show approximately 70% activity against juvenile mortality of Melodoga incognita. And then cell pellet of the Bacillus subtilis show about 50% activity against Melodoga mortality. Then supernatant was isolated from the Bacillus subtilis strains, and then supernatant was applied. The supernatant shows also effective activity about 60% against juvenile mortality of Melodoga incognita. It indicates that all the three Bacillus subtilis have effective activity against Melodoga incognita. Then isolates were used against egg hatching of Melodoga incognita. The effect of culture broth, cell pellet, and supernatant of Bacillus subtilis on egg hatching of Melodoga incognita. The the culture broth show about 50% activity against egg hatching of Melodoga incognita. Cell pellet show about 30% activity, and supernatant show about 45% activity against Melodoga incognita. Conclusion. It was concluded that Bacillus subtilis show nematocidal activity against Melodoga incognita and produce nematocidal metabolites. It also promotes plant growth by various mechanisms like zinc and phosphate solubilization, ammonia and indole acetic acid production. References. Thank you for your attention.